Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled M51, the Whirlpool Galaxy. So what do we see here? Well, here we see M51, one of Charles Messier's objects that were not comets seen in the sky back in the 1700s. Among those objects, there are star clusters and galaxies and nebulae and various different types of objects, but everything that was not an individual star. Now, this is an example of a galaxy and a relatively nearby one, only about 30 million light years away, and much smaller than our Milky Way, about 60,000 light years across. Our Milky Way is about 100,000 light years across. This is a very pretty spiral galaxy. We're looking almost straight down on it, and we can see the spiral arms swirling out from the center. And we can see all the distinct structures associated with those arms. And in fact, it's a very beautiful spiral galaxy with very prominent, well-defined spiral arms. And we can see the blue color, all that blue glow in the spiral arms is from many, many star clusters that are present. And those are very young star clusters, very short-lived stars, so we know that they formed recently, within the last couple of million years. Around those spiral arms, we also see the red glow of hydrogen gas from star-forming regions. These would be large star-forming regions, even larger than the Orion Nebula region that we see here nearby in our own galaxy. Many of these would be many times that size and are great star-forming regions where those hot stars energize the hydrogen gas around them, causing the gas to glow and give off its distinct red light. Now, one of the reasons this might have such a strong spiral structure is the small galaxy to the left of it. These two could be gravitationally interacting that could help push that into stronger spiral arms forming and give them more detail, and also could enhance the star formation, making the spiral arms more prominent and seeing more of the blue light of star clusters and the red glow of the hydrogen gas associated with that. Now, this is a very deep image, long exposures taken over 58 hours worth of imaging to bring out all the fine details. And we can see some of that in the tidal tails twisting around these, showing really that the galaxies are interacting and that there have been interactions between these galaxies. And it actually is a prominent galaxy, relatively easy to see. You don't even need a telescope, but you do need a pair of binoculars to be able to pick up the fuzzy image of this galaxy off in the distance. So that was our picture of the day, titled M51, the Whirlpool Galaxy. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.